Let's go for more tenses now. I'd like to share with you the techniques, the style, some innovative ways to teaching present perfect tense, past indefinite tense, and past perfect tense. Present perfect tense and past indefinite tense are same, identical, very, very same. But in very few cases, present perfect tense should be into past indefinite tense. Suppose you have come and seen the painter has left, but the mother says, "Don't step in, the painting hasn't finished." "Oh, mother, the painter is not here, the painting has been finished." No, even when the painting has been finished, if you step in, it's not right. So you smash, destroy the painting. So the painting has finished but not right. When it is 10 o'clock, you have said, "I haven't yet taken breakfast." Because you haven't taken breakfast, it means you can have breakfast later, but after 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, after in the afternoon, at night, tomorrow, you cannot say, "I have taken breakfast," because it's in past indefinite tense, because you cannot have breakfast anymore. In these cases, you have to understand whether it is in present perfect tense or past indefinite tense. And then past perfect tense, you don't need it. No, you don't need it. You forget it. But for three places, you need to know past perfect tense. Number one, least important. When you change narration, then past perfect tense is necessary. When you have mentioned something so many days ago, you don't pay attention to this unimportant past event, then past perfect tense. And most important, number one, most important place is when there are problems. The doctor came, later the patient died, but there is a case, as it says that the doctor came, because of his coming, the patient died. So in this case, the client, the judge, will judge it, and the other judge will say, the advocate will argue like, "No, my mokkel, my client, my doctor went there after the patient had already died." So one thing happened earlier than the other one. When something happened earlier, it is in past perfect tense, and the other part that has happened later in past indefinite tense. Very, very easy. More videos I'll put on in internet, and then you can learn. So very easy. Present perfect tense, has or have, and verb with past participle form. And past indefinite tense, no auxiliary verb, and the verb V2 past form. Eat, ate, buy, bought, catch, caught, go, went, like that. And past perfect tense had auxiliary verb and then past participle. He has come, he had come, like that. The doctor came after the patient had died. The patient died after the doctor had come. So the doctor is responsible for this. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.